Hey guys, good afternoon. Today I'm going to be bringing a quick video, and this is a how-to video, and it's on how to change the wiper blades on a 2018 or 5th generation 4Runners, Toyota 4Runners. So I got this set of wiper blades from Amazon. I actually have bought it in the past, and I paid $20 for the pair. Let me show you the wiper blades, and it's right here. I'm going to show you the model here in case you want to buy it from Amazon. I'm not putting the link, but here's the model. So wiper blades for a 2018 or 5th generation Toyota 4Runner. Okay, so okay guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is open the box, check the wiper blades. Make sure before you install the blades, make sure you remove this green protective part of it. So I'm going to lift this up. You have to open this up. I use my key real quick to open this up. Then I'm gonna press it down. Okay. Okay. Ready. This. Okay, so we removed the old one, which actually they were the original one. This car is from 2018, so you do the math, it's 4 years old. It's time to change. You have to open this up. Make sure you pop this up. If you pop it up, then you're gonna put the wiper blade through here. You're gonna hook it on the hook, close it. That's it. Nothing too scientific. It's very easy. $20 for both of them, and it takes less than 5 minutes to do. Okay, all right, let's go to the next one. Okay, so we have now replaced the driver's side, and we are going to replace the passenger side. Once again, step by step, very easy. I'm going to pop this up. Okay, once I pop this up, I'm going to press it down very gently. Let's see. Okay. All right. I'm going to get the new blade, which I have here. It is very, very, very important to remove this, okay? So I'm going to remove this part. I'm going to open this part. Very easy, just squeeze, pull. Okay, then I'm going to put the blade through here, and it's going to pop in here. Make sure you pull it up, snap on, and they're installed. Okay, now let's do the moment of truth. I'm gonna get in the car and just spray some water. Let's see how it works. Just to stay organized, I'm going to go ahead and put the trash in here. Okay, trash in here.